Swollen knees? Aching joints? You might just be eating the wrong foods and missing the one nutrient that holds your entire body together. But what if the real cure is already in your kitchen? Well, let's find out. Meet Richard. He's 67, retired, and used to enjoy his morning walks with his wife. But over the last year, things changed. Every step felt heavier. His knees cracked. His ankles swelled. He thought it was just age. But when he visited his doctor, the answer shocked him. The doctor replied, "You're not just aging, Richard. You're losing collagen." That's right, collagen, the glue that holds your joints, muscles, and skin together. By age 50, most people produce less than half of what their body actually needs. But here's the good news. Food can bring it back. So in this video, we're counting down 8 powerful collagen-rich foods, from least to most effective, that fight swelling, rebuild joints, and restore strength to your legs. Number 1 might surprise you. It has 61% more collagen than anything else on Earth. Ready? Let's begin. Number 8. Egg yolks. Most people toss the yolk and eat only the egg white. But that yellow center is loaded with biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, the exact nutrients your body needs to make collagen. Without sulfur, collagen can't form properly. And that means weaker ligaments, puffy ankles, and stiff knees. A 2020 study conducted by researchers at the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health found that adults over 60 who included whole eggs in their breakfast 5 times a week experienced a 22% reduction in joint discomfort and improved mobility, compared to those who ate mostly egg whites or avoided eggs entirely. Eat it right. Don't overcook the yolk. Soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried is best. And if you've been avoiding yolks because of cholesterol, relax. Studies show they're safe, and even raise the good kind, HDL. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty. These seeds don't contain collagen directly, but they're full of the building blocks to make it: zinc, magnesium, and manganese. Zinc helps trigger collagen production. Magnesium reduces swelling. Manganese strengthens your ligaments. A 2021 study published in the journal Biological Trace Element Research found that older adults who consumed just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks saw a 27% increase in joint flexibility and a 19% drop in swelling in the lower legs and feet. Eat it right. Soak them overnight to remove anti-nutrients, then roast gently. Or grind into smoothies, oatmeal, or sprinkle on salads. Number 6. Bone-in canned salmon. Most people throw out the soft bones, but that's where the collagen, calcium, and gelatin live. Together, they help rebuild cartilage, reduce stiffness, and strengthen knees. A 2020 study published in Nutrients observed that seniors who consumed 3 servings of bone-in salmon per week experienced a 32% improvement in knee flexibility and a 21% reduction in inflammation markers like C-reactive protein over 10 weeks. Eat it right. Mash the bones into the meat and eat together. Try it with avocado toast or mix into rice bowls with herbs. Number 5. Chicken skin. Yes, the skin. It contains type 1 collagen, the exact type found in your joints. A clinical study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences reported that adults aged 55 and older who consumed type 2 collagen from poultry sources daily experienced a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness within 12 weeks. Eat it right. Bake, roast, or simmer gently. No deep frying. Add to stews, soups, or eat warm off the bone. Number 4. Gelatin. Gelatin is basically cooked collagen, ready for your body to use. Perfect for anyone over 60 with poor digestion or swollen legs. A 2018 double-blind study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested gelatin supplementation on older adults with mild to moderate joint pain. After just 6 weeks, participants showed a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation. Eat it right. Use unflavored grass-fed gelatin. Stir into tea, bone broth, or make your own collagen-rich gummies. Number 3. Sardines, with skin and bones. Don't let the smell fool you. The bones and skin in sardines are full of type 1 collagen, calcium, and omega-3s. A 2022 study published in Nutrients observed that seniors who added 3 servings of whole sardines per week into their diets showed a 29% reduction in joint pain scores, a 25% decrease in swelling around the knees and ankles, and improved markers of collagen synthesis in blood samples. Eat it right. Choose sardines in olive oil or water. Mash into salads, rice bowls, or blend into spreads. Number 2. Bone broth. Think of it as liquid joint therapy. Simmering bones for hours pulls out collagen, glycine, and minerals that help your joints rebuild. A 2021 randomized study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging found that seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility and pain scores. Eat it right. Simmer bones. 12-24 hours with garlic, vinegar, and herbs. Drink daily or use in soups, rice, and even vegetables. Number 1. Beef tendons. Most seniors don't even know this food exists, but it's the most collagen-rich food on earth. A 2022 clinical trial published in the Journal of Functional Foods reported that participants over age 60 who consumed collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times a week showed a 63% improvement in joint fluid density, a 41% reduction in knee stiffness, and enhanced walking stability compared to the placebo group. Eat it right. Slow cook for 8 to 12 hours with garlic and ginger. Once soft, add to stews, soups, or rice bowls. It may look strange, but this one food could bring back real mobility faster than any supplement ever could. And there you have it. 8 collagen-rich foods that reverse swelling, ease pain, and bring back the strength in your legs. Which of these are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. We reply to everyone. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next video. Your joints are trying to heal. All they need is the right fuel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.